everybody. Fitu minuti with Neli Tulaiva. Le fan solongo for the chancho por kalame mo le nei tayao, and just as promised, Lela tu ina for the chancho for chancho doanga ia with none other than Mr. Cowboy in the studio. Big good morning and talo falava, Mr. Cowboy. Welcome. It's good to have you here at Eyespy.
Oh, such an honor to be here, and I'm so happy to be on the Eyespy radio morning show. And wow, whaatalo whaatu fo malura tunu whaiona whafunga maniwa ngon tayao. Yeah, good morning whaatalo whaatu, and howdy everybody.
Sam, has anyone told you that you have a natural voice for radio? You're gonna take my job.
Well, heaps of people are. But most people be like, like say auto-tune. So
robotic.
Yeah, so yeah, that's the one.
But it's good to have you here. A waful fa'tanchana noanga ia mbole fa'ala we lo fo'i o lau pesifo that's just been released over the weekend.
Yes.
Una Paloma Blanca. And of course, we were just talking about the MTV. I was just watching it earlier this morning. Man, that must have been MTV. Very fun, very vibrant.
Yeah. So, Una Paloma Blanca is from George Baker, which is one of my favorite country artists, I would say.
Yeah.
Because of the pesile Una Paloma Blanca. Okay, le loa.
Yeah.
And then also my pesile on YouTube. And then my mom said, "You should do that song."
Okay.
Yeah, from Mayfield. Yeah, well, like, of course, I don't want to busy. So my mom inspired me to record the song.
Yeah.
And so I dedicate the song to my mom. So
that's nice. That's very nice.
Yeah, it's really a nice song, to be honest. So and then we went over to Pokasi Falealili.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm so proud of Samoa.
Yeah.
So I want to showcase Yakung Ufafo. Yeah, if you're singing Samoa, so is it Kamalo for Yawe? It can more than Kuka. It can more than Kuka, and Mower Papovi, it can more than Maumanga. Yeah, I'm a music come my Malusion, how it Lumilo Kua, CEO, Mai. Yeah, it can more like Odom Kuka, Markama, Le Fed also Maumanga. Kailo of a Passide, Le Chapalay. But yeah, I'm Kimimika Samo, so that's why Killer Moko music video put in Samo. So that's one of the goals in the Pesile Le Blanca.
Yeah. But of course, we were talking and discussing off air. This is one of many songs more Lua Filualima. There's going to be more, and you're going to be releasing more music because the dream and the goal more Singapore. Getting on a tour, getting around the Pacifica, all the major cities around the world. That's the plan. That's the dream. Is this correct?
Yes. That's the plan, and that's the goal for next year. Record. It's just a matter of shooting the music videos and release for next year.
Yeah.
Because ole fufanga mole Singapore. Ole mako tua lea mo New Zealand, Australia, Hawaii, and the States. So that's the plan. So we're trying to release as much music as we can before going on tour.
Yeah.
And we also get an opportunity to go to Mexico as well.
Yes.
To try and collab with some of the artists or the producers over there. So So I just want to let everybody know that Mr. Cowboy is coming with fire next year.
That's right.
So heads up to for Mr. Cowboy. So that's the plan for next year. So yes.
And remember, guys, if you haven't liked and haven't followed, video for Una Paloma Blanca, make sure you do it now. It is on YouTube and all our other platforms, Facebook, Instagram. One of the comments so YouTube, somebody was saying, release, but when they release, it's going to be a banger.
Yes, I've been spending too much time at the farm.
Yeah, I can see that.
Because we have a farm in Tanmalala, so we just started out. So that's where most of my time is spent. O le maumanga I o mapa povi, and that's why this whole year it's just been silent for me. You know, and also same time. I've been recording music, and I was away from social media for a while.
Yeah.
And but now everything is settled, and you know I just want to make 2025 a massive year for us.
That's right.
And I want to release more music, and it's what I love doing as well. So yeah. So le Goldenga next year. So Mr. Cowboy is coming with big bombs and missiles and everything for next year. So yeah.
That's right, guys. So if you haven't heard the song, we're going to be playing it for you this morning. But you were saying, Mr. Cowboy, that ay mga us kami alofa ya, oy molem kuka, kami finger bengal likyo. Mauma justice game.
Nga pipelo me game.
Ya lewo to fa along mai lipa ia mo le true. Mr. Cowboy, una Paloma Blanca. And I thought it was a Christmas song. Of course, with the release dates, but it's not a Christmas song.
Yeah. So we chose to release this track before New Year's because everyone wants to holiday mood. Everyone wants to party and wants to drink up with families and friends and even clubs right now at the moment. So that's why we kind of set back the time for this track. Inga release the gaming mo kakafoile ia faunga fa fia vai gaming I pese a pite lu esko inga maslo mo por kalap.
Best New Year.
Best New Year. Yeah, that's the one.
Well, speaking of New Year, you know what? For you, Mr. Cowboy, what is your New Year's resolution? Or for the rest of the year?
Oh, it's all about timing, you know. Trying to spend as much time with my family right now. Yeah, because but the music has to come first. Because it's my career and my music.
That's right.
So that's why I want to push this forward, and I want to bless the lives of the other people as well with my music. And that's the one of the goals for me as well. So yeah, pushing the music forward for next year, and trying to help out my other brothers and sisters at
that's right. But it's true that you say that, it's a good time to spend it with family. You want to spend as much time with your family before you do start, getting your tour in order. Because what time of the year you want to get on tour and you want to travel?
So we're starting next year. So we're starting next month, sorry.
Yeah.
So next month, Mako recordings. So same time we're touring as well.
Yeah.
So even at Christmas before last was Christmas last week?
Last week?
Last week. So that's why we put on a big Christmas celebration for my family, and I want to spend as much time with my family as well.
Yeah.
And my little family as well.
Yeah.
So mom and the boys, my brothers and sisters. So yeah, because once we're on tour, then
non-stop.
Non-stop. Once you're on tour. So that's why kahua yale mafkanga mainga gaming so they lo me kup ge wa la ku se me fa le ko ku mai campus
ya
alawa len mafkanga mai.
Spend as much time with your family before you don't see your family anymore. Well, just coming back to MTV, Una Paloma Blanca, I really love the la'es that you guys were wearing.
Yes.
It seems like it was sponsored by Eving.
Yes. So big whawhai to e Veni Karatas. Mole lako so swangi le music video le sa release ngai. Sa waku si vaenga one of the le lako ofenga benga maros sa waku ma kamafai so swangi fo il mako MTV. Ma faingi lako fesili mai se fo o le fala e ngai o kama pesema
actors,
so mawalan me ano farkaka man wako la ko ainga.
Nice.
So it's a big whawhai to Eveni Karatas for helping out. Whai fo yung moangila e fo wa mako vai. Well it's a great souvenir as well.
That's right.
Mo sumko fafing is like e man ko fo mako MTV nga so wanga pu MR Cowboy. E po ala pu mako MTV. So it looks so small. E po came because it's a 3-minute video. Pa ke leo camping penga si vai nga sa balanga ko fo so swangin mako MTV. So big whawhai to Eveni Karatas but pulenga man ofenga benga from Mr. Cowboy and the team. So
it's really nice to experience a fully, the young ones who got a full mele le videographer and putting out a video. Kuso le menga fa pega ka. Pu ele pese. It takes a long time. All pu engala le video. There's so many shots and so many things you need to get right.
Exactly.
Because le fa pega kasi ele pu just one take, that's it. But no, you like you said, lele aso ka pu ele video.
Yes. Ole mako vaenga le sa malanga mai o I Usida. Si vaenga le KBM Coverbow Media. Si o friend o John Tapu. Ma le uso Dylan. Dylan. Kramer. So la wale sa fia ngai male poengo mako MTV. John Tapu was directing the music video. Pa os kamale o Dylan le sa po ako al mako MTV. It's not a ele ifengo film mako po MTV was a kasin mako cameraman. Ma sia liko kasi sa wale reflector. Para big fan malo to KBM as well. Mole so swangi mai fo le MTV. E si so la ko lo ka so liengi kama po MTV. Fa so ka KBM media. La ko sa kama fai malos inga fa
bring it to life.
Bring it to life. Mai le pesele le Paloma Blanca. So big whawhai to Johnny and Dylan for the awesome work.
We're going to head back into more Mr. Cowboy, more Lenete. 2024 almost finished. What a year.
What a year. Oh, it's been a busy year. I don't know about other people, but for me, it's been a busy year for us. So, yes, malo lava to everyone for surviving 2024. Yes.
Can you do a sample what you were doing off air? We're gonna like a radio announcer, like if you were just jumping on to announce a song or announce the time.
Oh, announce the song.
Okay, ready. I'm just gonna play this kiki runga kong kiki lalo and then.
Whatalofa to the mano tunu nevaenga o le taiao tulai mate me nuno tato FM Eyespy Radio 87.5 nei tula o le aso ua 2 minute te aile a fo le iva mano lava fa fonga mano fo le sai mano fo ngal no nei vai nei taimi o le taiao.
Natural. If I don't quite see me gupu be wakulia or be solo of a gukuila. Eyespy is all yours. But of course, we were just talking off air about what your next project will be. Will it be a love song, a fast song, a pace song? But we were talking about the MTV that's going to be, you're going to bring a different flair. You're going to bring the story with it, and it's going to be a comedy.
Yes. So our next track will be a fast song. I guess ole ka ke ye vai ke mi paki male
happy.
Yeah, male ke mi happy. Yeah, e ka unga e fo ila makanga for next year. Yeah, e ka kule ye le makanga ka usanga fo wa ke longa. E makanga ka usanga. Yeah, o ke langa wa gaming e wa ke le decisions of ilis. Yeah, wa ka usanga fo ke le ko hingu. Ka usanga fo o ke le ko paki.
Koling, ka usanga fo koling.
Ka usanga fo keep it up.
Yes.
So I guess the next track will be a fast song. Next year.
Yeah.
So definitely it's going to be a fast track, and then the rest will will be slow, romantic.
Yeah, mix it up.
Mix it up, you know, spice it up. And definitely it's going to be a fast song for our next track coming out. So, yes.
And also, Lela, we're going to see more of you on social media. You're going to be putting out more content and more reels and videos about the day in the life of Mr. Cowboy, which is nice to see.
Yes. Kele kaka, because ole mele yai. Ko kele la ko fishing ia po fen me o yai what I've been up to and po hao me whaingi vai kaimi, po le mea ko e pese Mr. Cowboy, po le mea ko e whaingia ngā musika, po le mea o ese le mea o ai Mr. Cowboy, po le mea o oki ka ma pese. So yes, that's the next step for next year. Ia mako kam whaile, ia whaingi mako la kam whai updates umakaka. Ia malo na tunu. Ia mese foi ia fans around the world. Ia le maumanga foi o lai whai ia pāpovi. Ia mo le masaba linga foi ia o fufanga o le next year. Inga im whai I just want everyone to be a part of the journey as well through 2025 and for the rest of my life, basically. So, yes, that's the updates as well for the next year. A lot of reels, a lot of stories, a lot of feedbacks from what I've been up to, and yes, a lot of videos as well.
Because it's good to let the people know that you are a real cowboy.
Yeah, well, you gotta live up to your name, man.
That's
so,
right.
Yes, so before I wasn't even okay loa whakasinga meo kau pāpovi ma meo whaingongi meo mang. Yeah, our gaming I started to fia meo. Fia kere whaingunga I mangu. Fia I like to learn new things as I go and I love doing anything that I want to learn. I just want to enjoy what I'm doing and that's what I love about farming. You know, it's just ese mai foi I kaulanga ia. Ese foi le silence o le whai maumanga ia.
The peacefulness.
Karkarangoa mea ngai mang Sam o mai oe. E maka foi ngai skakia le nganganga o mangu.
Okay.
Ia mo povi o sofangua ma moi. Ia e ka alu ko ngai kalo ia sau fa mai ia o sa malolo mai I va ku ia
I know, guys, that we have Mr. Cowboy here. Fa'amol mole Sam, the people want to hear you sing for us today. Tell us a karaoke song. We'll put it on and whatever you like to sing for the people. I know it's putting you on the spot, but you know, you're a natural, you're a professional.
Why don't we try something from Elvis Presley?
Oh, okay.
I would say Can't Help Falling in Love with You, baby.
Ooh, let's go. Can't help falling in love with Mr. Cowboy Linate. I'm just going to flip over the screen. Geez. Yeah.
Wise man say only fools rushing in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you, for I can't help falling in love with you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Cowboy can't help falling in love with you, bringing our time to 20 more minutes on top of the hour. Thank you very much, Mr. Cowboy, for being here this morning. Not only embracing the beautiful Samoa with your talent, but of course promoting your new song. Don't forget, new content, new music will be coming out. Follow for the Mr. Cowboy Facebook page, Instagram, and follow YouTube. Make sure you do so now. Sam, any final words before you head out?
Just want to say thank you. For taise fa mo le no ma tungo fio fai ona malaka mai foi ia fara wilo foi ia nisi fo fuanga o le tausanga fo. And also ia le pulisili ia mese foi ia le officer manu ia mo le no ma tungo fio fai ona ma tu malanga mai ia le Eyespy Radio 87.5 FM Samoa. Thank you so much. Also another whakatau to Evini Karates. Mole lato awaunanga. Mese foi o le KBM Media, Coverbo Media, John Tapu and Dylan mole mato music video. Also to all my fans, lato whaiona whafonga mai newe angoleaso, mese foi lato o loo o miele like mansia. Loo maua ia le kāla, ngai ka meki ke whakau ise pau whalawa. Mese foi o le mea islo makua, le aso. So thank you very much to everyone, also to my family. Gaming yo la fa long ke gaming yo la mako e mo runga le ki o lo makua. Lo ka pua I mele interview ngai kai. Shout out to my mum, my beautiful mum, listening from home. I miss it for you. So I inga lo fa longo mai gaming e hu mai fafu. I miss it for you. So come ai inga foi. Leu ka ke mafu ka ngi va ngol kai. E sa wa mo moli mai au. Make sure lo le leilo ofu yo lo ulu mala o make up mala o coffee e mo ia ka. Leo coco Samoa e coffee coco Samoa. But yes, thank you brother Joseph and Lars for allowing me to come over and have this beautiful time here at Eyespy Radio. Thank you very much. And yeehaw!